I will show you 5 Google Analytics reports that I would use to figure out where the site is leaking money. First is funnel visualization. Every site that has a funnel should start with funnel visualization. This report will tell you how much traffic is dropping off at each funnel step. As you see, the first step, which is home, converts only at 2.93%, so it has the biggest leak. But before you jump to conclusions, you need to be sure that your funnel data is correct. Probably half of the funnel setups are broken. Take note that nothing converts at 100%, as in nothing. The next is screen resolution and conversion and bounce. Different users have different devices and hence different screen resolution. Comparing bounce rate and conversion rate per screen resolution can give you hints about potential leaks. Next is conversion per traffic source. In this report, you will identify which traffic sources works and which are a waste of time or money. One of the easiest ways to improve conversions is to eliminate irrelevant, poor quality traffic and to direct marketing efforts toward channels that work. Next is new visitors versus returning visitors. Sometimes websites leak money because they try to sell new visitors too aggressively. But sometimes it's better to focus on email capture for new visitors. Keep in mind that you'll make more money if they will come back. By focusing on sale too early, you might be scaring people away and that causing money leaks. Lastly is conversion per browser's version. One of the most money leaks is incompatibility with some browser. Look at these reports by device categories separately. These reports shows only desktop, no mixing, or you get thrown off by wrong numbers. Beware of small sample sizes. If you have a low volume site, just increase the time period you're looking at.